Guess who? You miss me?
What is up, guys? Man, dude, it feels so freaking good to be back, man. I'm telling you. If you haven't noticed already, I have a new video coming up tomorrow. I set it up for this new feature that YouTube has, the premiere feature. I've gotten a couple of comments, people mentioning that they don't care for that feature, but just to let you know, man, it's all new to me, brother. That shit wasn't around whenever 3 months ago, you know what I'm saying? So it's been a minute for me. But what's up, man? I'm back, bro. I'm in the new garage right now. I can't show you guys much because you're gonna have to see it on the video tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? So I just wanna basically let you guys know. Set the reminder. I'm probably not gonna use this premiere option very often. I'm just gonna upload my videos like normal, like I always did before. But let's entertain it for this one time, you know what I mean? Go in there and set the reminder. You gotta make sure that little bell icon is on so that you guys actually get the reminder, I guess. I don't know. But yo, I'm definitely excited, bro. I'm excited. Oh man, I can't wait to get into the hatch. Late as hell right now. I need to get my ass in bed so I can go to work tomorrow. But just know the video goes live tomorrow at 12. That's when the premiere starts, is at 12. And that's when I have my lunch. So I'm gonna be in there with you guys. I'll be in the comment section saying what's up. So make sure to drop your comments and let's chat, you know what I'm saying? But peace out, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And like always, don't forget.
You